Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Pokémon Scarlet and Violet on your mobile device using a GBA emulator. First, it is important to understand that the original games are not for the Game Boy Advance. To play them this way, you will need to find fan-made versions. This process involves two main steps: acquiring a suitable GBA emulator app and then finding the specific game file. Selecting the right emulator is your next crucial step. For Android users, popular choices like My Boy or John GBA offer excellent performance and features. If you are on an iOS device, options such as Delta or GBA for iOS are available, though their installation might involve a few extra steps. Always ensure your emulator supports saving your progress and speeding up gameplay. Now you need the game file itself. Search online for fan-made Pokémon Scarlet GBA ROM or Violet GBA ROM versions. Remember, these are unofficial creations, so choose a trustworthy source for your download. Always verify the file extension is GBA or that it is a compressed zip file containing the GBA game. Exercise caution to avoid malicious downloads. With your emulator installed and the ROM downloaded, you are ready to play. Launch your GBA emulator app. It will typically have a file browser feature. Use this to locate the GBA file you just downloaded. Tap on the game file to load it, and your adventure will begin. Feel free to adjust the virtual controls and screen settings for the best experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.